Oh, hey girl, I did not see you here. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Friday, which means it's vlog day. If you know what I'm talking about, I announced it in my last vlog. For the foreseeable future, we are going to drop a vlog every Friday, and today's Friday, so here we are. So today's video is going to be about it's a secret that I've been keeping away from my YouTube family. If you follow me on Instagram, then you already know this. Back in June, we got a puppy. That is right. That is right. Her name is Cubie. She is a Pomsky. You know what? Let me not give you all the details. We're gonna roll the footage. It is from June. The reason why I'm doing these Friday night or Friday vlogs is because I have a bunch of footage that's just been sitting on my hard drive for no one to see. So I am sharing those past footage. Before we get started, however, HR told me to ask y'all, did you cop your IMONatural box yet? There she is, a self-care box curated with us in mind. Busy women that are taking care of everybody else around us except for us. This box is meant to complement your self-care, or at least force you to take a moment to take care of yourself. Everything that you need for a self-care routine is in here. So I'm gonna put a little fancy footage. And I know it's me again talking about this box, but we're only selling them until the end of September. So I really want to make sure that you get the chance to get your box. And also, TikTok taught me that I'm supposed to talk about my products, because if you don't talk about it, no one's going to know about it. So yeah, me again with my self-care box in partnership with IMONatural. I appreciate your support, okay? Again, like I said, they're only selling till the end of September, and then they're gone. Few little details on the puppy. Her name is Cubie. Like I said, we are huge anime fans in this house, and if you watch Naruto, then this is where the name is from. That's all I'm gonna say. Should I give you more details? The nine-tailed beast in Naruto, you have no idea what I'm talking about if you haven't seen the show, but it's actually a fox. But when she was a baby, we thought that she looked like Cubie. Like, yeah. Anyways, that's basically why we named her that. I did come up with the name because, you know, I'm the creative one between Bay and I. Yeah, I feel like there's a glare. Oh, actually, it's not a glare. It's my skincare, girl. You see this glow? Ah, you see the shine on my forehead. Good morning. Welcome back to the vlogs. Girl, today I'm so excited because I have a facial booked. I have laser hair removal booked. It's been so long. I'm so excited because honestly, I haven't had a facial all year. And last year, before the pandemic, I was getting them almost monthly. Yeah, everything is closed where I am. We're on the special lockdown, girl. So today's the day that I'm finally gonna be able to get one. And I'm not even going in my town. I'm going half an hour out in another town, somewhere I've never been, just in the name of facials. Yes, so I'm vlogging in case, you know, some fish is happening. I need to be out of the house really soon, so I'm gonna try to see if I can sneak in a workout this morning and then get ready and go. So I just made it to my appointment. Girl, I had to run out of the house. I'm like 5 minutes late, and I hate being late. Anyway, I didn't even take like a before picture of my skin or anything. I was in such a rush. Okay, so this is my skin before, okay? You have to tell me if I look pretty after. I am breaking out just a little bit around here. I have like one pimple, or like two. I have two pimples on this side of my face. Oh, she said I can come through the garage. Okay, go. I gotta go. Bye. All right, I am done. It was nice and relaxing. I miss facials so much. I swear, it's one of the things that I miss so much about the pandemic. Facials and getting my nails done. I kind of feel like one of those YouTubers today because I also have a laser hair removal. So it's like, oh my god, my $1,000 treatments. I'm kidding. I'm not spending more than $600. There's $600 though. That's a lot of money, you know? Anyways, I am done. I am glowing. Let me show you, girl. I feel like it looks really good. She did a bunch of extractions. Some on my forehead, some on my cheeks. Basically, she did microdermabrasion, a few extractions, cheeks and forehead. and she also did a jelly mask, a calming, hydrating jelly mask, she said, with lavender and oats. I don't know. I'm the person that's probably gonna go Google jelly mask now and see if I can do it at home. But it was nice. It was really relaxing. My skin feels really nice right now. So yeah, I am gonna get something to eat because I'm starving. I haven't eaten all day. Although my workout today wasn't really, I don't know, like I did half of my workout quickly. So I'm not dying, but I want to eat. And I want to eat something nice, something fancy. While I'm at the house, girl, let's go all out. All right, so I totally lied. I ended up going straight to my laser hair removal because it was, you know, it was time to go. I didn't want to be late there too. So I'm starving. It's 2:51 and I haven't eaten all day. At this point, I'm considering like fast food, but I don't want fast food. I want something healthy. So let's go get some food. And I also said I was gonna meet someone around 2:30. I need food, so I'm actually gonna go get food. And then actually the person that I'm meeting is a follower. Shout out to you, Nikita. She is giving me her hooded hair dryer. As you guys know, I'm on this whole, you know, I guess wash and go journey, no oil, no butter journey, whatever you want to call it. And last time I did my wash and go, I didn't have a dryer, so I let it air dry. And apparently you're supposed to use a hooded dryer because heat sets foam or heat sets gel, whatever, girl, I don't even know. So she actually has an extra one laying around the house, and she was like, you know what, she bought one. They sent her two. Thank you, Jesus. And she's like, girl, if you want it, you can have it. And who am I to say no to a free hooded dryer? I mean, when the Lord says yes, who am I to say no? I am home. Finally, home sweet home. I missed my house. It's crazy. I didn't expect to be out for as long as I was out. I thought it was gonna be quick things, get a facial, get the laser, but I was out all day. It is 4:59 and I still haven't eaten. I am so frail. But I got this beautiful sandwich, girl. I'm about to go in. Girl, you just don't know. You don't know. You just wait. I'm coming for you. I also got some cannoli. These are my favorite. Honestly, at the place that I go, these are my favorites. Good morning. Today is Tuesday, June 29th. And it's a very exciting day. So I am going to vlog it. This doesn't happen often, but I have a surprise for you guys. My hair, by the way, is a wash and go. Anyways, let's go. I'm not gonna tell you what the surprise is yet. I am just gonna take you through my day-to-day and you'll start getting some clues. Huh?
You see what they're advertising?
What are they advertising?
Grooming book now, training book now.
I kind of would rather her go to like a private groomer. Wow, I didn't know they made shampoo for dogs. What the hell? They have training areas here too. All right, first thing first, I think we need to, do we need a collar thing? We can be out here and not visit a furniture store.
Not at all.
From what I remember, it's very expensive, upper room. I think this is super cute. For my plants. It's kind of big though, no?
Yeah, it's pretty good for our space.
All right, so we are on our way to pick up our little furry friend. If you didn't catch on all of the clues that I dropped this morning, it's a puppy. We are getting a puppy. I'm so excited. I can't hide it. He's excited. I'm super excited. I don't think we've had puppies way back in Haiti though, so way back in the days. I haven't had a puppy in over 20 years. It's a long time, so I'm very excited. Look at that face. She is such a little fur ball. Girl, we're about to have so much fun. She is beautiful. Introducing Miss Cubie to the channel. We have been in the process of getting her for, you said 7 months? 7 months, and she is 8 weeks old. She's a tiny little thing. She looks very furry. She looks really big with her fur.
got a little puddle. I'm going to puddle, okay?
Cubie is actually 4 months old now. It's crazy how big she is. She's grown like crazy. She is maturing. And it just makes us really proud to see how much she's learned and how much she is improved. Like, we don't need to watch over her as much as we used to in the past, because she's still crazy, okay? Don't misunderstand me. She's still kind of crazy, but she's calming down, which is great. She's also learning a lot, which is also great. What else? Honestly, when it comes to a puppy, I know people are like, I know there's a lot of females out there that are like, oh my god, I need a man because I need love in my life. Wrong. First of all, you need to love yourself by copying your self-care box. But second of all, get yourself a puppy if you want true love, you know? She doesn't complain. She does what I want her to do when I want her to do it, and she just gives me unconditional love. Let me tell you, if you want love in your life, get yourself a puppy. It's a lot of work though, that's all I'm gonna say. However, it's so fulfilling. It's like you want to do the work because she's just a ball of energy, always in a good mood, you know? Some days I'm feeling down because, you know, I have my days too, and there she comes with her little tail, just... Anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. I appreciate you. I hope that you enjoyed it. Support me and the channel by getting your self-care box. And I think that's it, right? I don't think I missed anything. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.